Action.
Action. Great. Okay. So this is right. Core 3, summer 2017. Question 1. 1. Remember, a way to getting 1 where you could do 2 plus 2 is 4 minus 3 is 1. Quick maths.
No, start the video again. Start
Did I
again.
do it wrong?
It's 2 plus 2 is 4 minus 1. That's stupid, man.
Oh.
You did like
Start
that.
again. Start again.
No, it's alright. We'll carry on. Nobody will notice.
No.
Right.
Oh.
Wow.
That's a bit of a big shaft.
Well, they will notice because we've all pointed it down.
Alright. Well, next time 1 comes up as a thing in the thing, I'll do it again. I'll get it right. Somebody write it down, a little note for me so I can read it. The region R is bounded by the curve and by the straight lines x equals 0, x equals 4 and y equals 0. Find the exact volume of the solid rotated obtained by rotating it. Right. Volume to revolution. What an interesting start. To go straight in there with the volume to revolution. You know the volume is the integral of pi y squared dx. So to work that out, we need to work out what y squared is. If y is 2 plus e to the half x, y squared would be that squared. A number of people got mixed up with the indices when doing this. This gives us 4. We then have 2e to the half x plus another 2e to the half x. And then e to the half x times e to the half x. You could think of it either way. You add the powers, or we do half x times 2. Whichever way you do it, you end up with e to the x as our next term. So that's the thing we've got to integrate. The volume, therefore, is the integral of pi times that. Now we're going from x is 0 to x is 4. And there was one mark for writing that. Recognising that we needed y squared in there as the thing that we're going to integrate. So then we need to actually do the integration. 2 marks for the integration. So you wanted something of the form 4x. Now this would be, so you're going to divide by a half, aren't you? So that gives you 8 e to the half x. And then e to the x stays as it is. So there were 2 marks for getting that. One thing of the right format. So by the right format we mean with the right powers. So e to the half x and e to the x. Don't worry about the coefficients. And the second mark is for getting it perfect. Sub in the values. Now the question did say find the exact volume. So we need to be careful that we don't go for any calculator answers with this. So this is 16 plus 8 e squared plus e to the 4. And if we put 0 in there, we would get 0. And again, a few people missed what, just kind of automatically assume that you put 0 and you get 0. But you wouldn't do, would you? You get e to the 0, which is 1, so that gives 8. And e to the 0 is 1 there as well. Altogether, we've got pi times, what have we got? 16, take away 9, which is 7, plus 8e squared plus e to the 4, and that's as exact as it's going to get. And there's the answer for how many? 4 marks?
5.
5 marks. There we go. And that's maths.
Yes.
Then we stop it.